The Arbors is a beautiful gated community with oak-lined streets, lakes, and preserved with hiking trails and an abundance of wildlife. Hobe Sound Beach is a short car ride away. The home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, formal dining room, home office, laundry room with sink and storage. The kitchen has lots of cabinets, granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, chef island, breakfast bar, and new appliances. There is wainscoting throughout the living areas and oversized floor tiles. The patio had seating areas and a pool and spa with child-proof pool fence. The rear fenced garden is a private oasis that has a grass strip perfect for pets. The flow of this beautiful home is effortless.